Once you finish your drawing, you will want to save it. Always save your SolidWorks drawings in case you need to make revisions. Next, you will need to save it as a PDF file. Pick the File pull-down menu, pick Save As. In the dialog box, change the Save As type to PDF. Be sure you know where your PDF file will be saved. Mine was set to automatically open when it generated the PDF. I recommend that you review your PDF output to see that you can find any mistakes before I do.